pop a packet. Ratorn.
So it's so cute. Girl is so cute.
So we got one of the dolls.
This girl looks like Hazel. She's Hazel.
Oh my god, look how cute. Look at her shoes.
Look at her face. Her hair is so glossy.
Girl's hair is covered up. Oh my god. Ah! I need help. Wait, what does he just come with?
A hat. Oh my god, her hair is so pretty.
Oh my god.
Nice and fluffy.
Do you see that shoes? Oh my god, they have shoes. Okay. Oh, girls are pink. Oh my god.
Look at them. And then take
Look at her.
oh no, her face.
Oh, you can take her jumper off. What does she wear inside? She's naked inside. But she's so cute. I love how the results turned out. Oh my god, look at her little feet. Look at her little feet.
That's so cute. I think she would look.
Wait, she doesn't come with socks? Because mine does.
Cool.
Do they come with shoes in the packet?
Yeah.
They come with shoes. Girl, yours is...
Oh, look at her cute shoes. Look, what? Can I see how her shoes look like?
My shoes look the same. Okay, so that's what we have for today's video. Bye. Bye, Rators.